Hey guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to do like a clean with me type video because my room looks really bad. I have to clean that too, get all that off and put furniture polish and get all the dust off and all that fun stuff. So we're just going to clean today, and I'm going to do like a little montage of like a before and then after so you guys don't have to like physically watch me clean because that's really boring. So first we're going to conquer this dresser. So it's going to be clean in 3, 2, 1. And bam, just like that. All clean. Now we're going to move on to like this floor area because that section's all clean. And we're going to move on to like the floor / this area because it's a mess. So all of this will be clean in 3, 2, 1. Go. Just like that, we're all clean again. So I put shoes on in my purse right there. I hung up another purse, organized that bin, fixed all of this mess, and organized it all pretty. So now we're gonna conquer this, which might take a minute. So I'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. And voila, this section is complete. I organized a lot of stuff, put some stuff away, you know. Looks a lot better. Still a lot of junk, but you know, it's stuff that I actually use every day. So yeah. Now we're gonna do this side. This side, the only thing that I have to do is reorganize it and clean the top of that vanity right there. And just like clear stuff off. Also reorganize all of these stuffed animals. So I will see you guys after. All done. I organized this section, I cleaned off all this. And then I cleaned off all this and redid this entire section. But tell me why. It looks way more cluttered after than before, when all I did was like take everything off and reorganize it. But you know, it still looks good. So I also threw a couple of things away that were like old. So that's the aftermath of that. And all we have left to do is make the bed. So 3, 2, 1. So this is the aftermath. We have all my dresser over there, makeup section, bed, my desk area, clothes, bra, shoes and everything up here. Dressers are all done. This took like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, I don't even remember. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's cleaning video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.